And here, I think we're ready. Okay, I think they're ready now.
Alright, boys, are you ready to dance? For those who are not in the party, please step back.